Hello, this is Ray Davis. I'm with Fast Car Decals and Ray's Auto Trim. Just want to take a quick minute and show you a couple of little things that's made the installation of the Chevy Colorado, the Summit hood stripe with the dry vinyl, the Avery Supreme wrap or the 3M 1080. Make it a little bit more easier to install. I've done a video on the wet install, so I just wanted to shoot something, just a couple little tips on the dry install. And what we have here is a 2019 Chevy Colorado. We've already installed the rattan, which really turned out nice on this, especially with the bow tie in the back. That's a pretty straight up installation. Fits right where it's supposed to, and just tape it up and go. But one of the things that I did do that I wanted to show you is normally this notch is not in here. I put that in there so I can line this up where I want, because it fits perfectly in the space that I need. I'm going to take my adhesive tape and I'm going to put a piece across here so I'm adhering to the car and here, along with on both sides. And then I'm going to use the hinge method to put that on. So let me get that taped in, and then I will show you how that looks, and then we'll install it. Okay, I wanted to show you what this looks like and what I did to get it where it needs to be. As you can see, I've got it taped where I want it. When I put this to where it's supposed to be, I measured, got it where close, and then I measured from the corner to here and the corner from there, made it the same, which it is. And then I stretched my tape from here to this point, made sure that it got one dimension, and then stretched it from here to there to get the center. Or I could have ran a center guideline, either way, but it's centered. It's going to be where it needs to be. Because I notched it, it's staying in place. Now I'm going to take it and I'm going to lift it up and I'm going to start applying. So let me put you on hold, and I'll get to putting this 2015 through 19 Chevy Colorado Summit hood stripe on with the air regress vinyl with the Avery Supreme wrap dry install. So let me get started with that. Okay, what I've done is like I said, I'm using the hinge method. I've pulled this back, I've removed the backing, and I've taken my knife and I've trimmed it. I've cleaned any little fuzzy wuzzies that might appear from the paper backing. Now I'm going to install. I'm going to put that back down. I'm going to start in the middle, and I'm going to work that to me. I'm just going to work that to me. Now this is kind of in a like a curve, which is excellent for using the Avery Supreme. So I'm going to take my thumb and we'll kind of come along with it. Release a little pressure, bring it down a little bit at a time. It's a good thing about the Avery and the 3M 1080, just take your time. It's very forgiving. Work that out. Take your thumb and just kind of bring it along. Sometimes when you get a series of ripples, you might want to just split it in half and then split it in half again, and that usually takes care of that. Alright, so I'll go back over that. I'm going to repeat on this side and on that side, and it should be completed. It's very easy to install if you just take your time, and I appreciate you watching, and please subscribe. If you have any other suggestions, please give it to me, and please let us know what you think. I know that I'm not a professional YouTuber, but I do know how to install stripes, and I want to pass that on. So anything I may have forgot, please ask a question and I'll get back to you, I promise. And again, this is Ray Davis. I'm with Fast Car Decals and Ray's Auto Trim, and thank you for watching.